I'm going to show you exactly how it can help you get unstuck. First thing you need to do is go to Murf AI. Just type that into your browser. When you land on the homepage, you'll see a button that says Get Started for free or Sign Up. Click that. It'll ask you for your email and a password. Put those in. You might need to verify your email, so check your inbox, click the link, and you're in. Once you're inside, you'll see a dashboard with a big purple button that says Create Project. Don't click it yet. Just look around for a second. You'll see templates, voices, and a timeline editor. It looks like a video editor, but it's for voice. Now let's talk about what this tool actually is. So Murf AI is a text-to-speech platform. You type words, and it turns them into realistic human-sounding voiceovers. That's it. No recording equipment, no awkward voice, no stuttering. You just type, pick a voice, and it speaks for you. Now, why does this matter if you're broke or stuck? Because most people who want to create content, start a YouTube channel, build courses, or even just explain ideas clearly, they stop before they start. Why? Because they hate their voice, or they don't have a microphone, or they're too anxious to record, or they live in a noisy house and can't get clean audio. Murf removes that barrier completely. You don't need to sound confident, buy an expensive mic, or even have a quiet room. All you need is a clear idea of what you want to say, and if you're someone who thinks better when you write than when you speak, this is a game changer. It's also fast. You can create a voiceover in 5 minutes that would have taken you an hour to record, edit, and fix if you did it yourself. And when you're broke, time is the only resource you actually have. So anything that saves time without costing money is worth paying attention to. This isn't about replacing your voice forever. It's about removing the friction so you can actually start. That's the shift. You go from I can't do this to I just did it. Let's do something simple. I'm going to walk you through creating your first voiceover in under 5 minutes. Go back to that dashboard. Click Create Project. You'll see a blank screen with a timeline at the bottom. At the top, there's a text box. That's where you type what you want the AI to say. Let's say you want to create a short intro for a YouTube video. Type this: Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to stay productive when you're feeling stuck. Let's get into it. Now, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a section called Explore AI Voices. Click that. You'll see hundreds of voices, male, female, different accents, different tones. Some sound warm, some sound professional, some sound younger. Pick one. Let's say you pick a voice called Natalie because she sounds calm and clear. Click on her and she'll get added to your project. Now, hit the play button at the bottom. Listen to how it sounds. If you don't like it, try another voice. You can switch voices instantly. That's the beauty of this. Once you find one you like, you can adjust the speed. There's a little slider that says speed. Move it slightly to the left to slow it down, or to the right to speed it up. Most people sound better at 95% to 100% speed. You can also add pauses. If you want a break between sentences, just type 3 dots or hit Add Pause in the timeline. This makes it sound more natural. When you're happy with it, click Export at the top right. Choose MP3 or WAV. Wait a few seconds, download it, done. You just created a voiceover without saying a single word. That's the power of this tool. Now, you might be wondering, How is this different from other AI voice tools like 11 Labs, Fleeky, or Descript? Here's the thing, 11 Labs is great, but it's more expensive if you want the best voices, and the free plan is pretty limited. Fleeky is more focused on turning text into full videos with stock footage, which is cool, but it's not as clean if you just want audio. Descript is amazing for editing podcasts, but it's more complex and has a steeper learning curve. Murf sits in the middle. It's simple, it's clean. It's focused on one thing, high quality voiceovers. The free plan gives you 10 minutes of voice generation per month, which is enough to test it and create a few projects. The voices sound natural, not robotic, and the interface is beginner friendly. The key difference is this. Murf is built for people who want to create voice content fast without learning a bunch of extra features. If you just need a voice, Murf is the fastest way to get it. If you need video editing or podcast editing, you'd use something else. But for voiceovers, this is one of the cleanest tools out there. When you're broke, friction like recording your own voice often stops you. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're practical ways to communicate better, faster, and actually start creating. Let's talk about what you can actually use this for. No hype, just real stuff. First, YouTube videos. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, or if you just want to narrate explainer videos, tutorials, or commentary, Murf handles that. You write your script, generate the voice, pair it with screen recordings or stock footage, and you've got a video. No recording, no editing your own voice. Second, online courses or tutorials. Let's say you know how to do something, like how to use Notion, or how to fix a leaky faucet, or how to budget with $0. You can write out the lessons, generate voiceovers for each module, and package it into a course. People pay for clarity, not perfection. Third, audiobooks or lead magnets. If you've written an ebook or a guide, you can turn it into an audiobook with Murf. Some people would rather listen than read. You can offer both versions and reach more people. Fourth, presentations or pitches. If you're building a pitch deck for a business idea, or you're creating a presentation for school or work, you can add a voiceover to make it feel more polished. It's faster than recording yourself, and it sounds professional. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are just practical ways to communicate better, faster, and without the friction of recording your own voice. Let's go a little deeper. I'm going to show you how to create a multi-voice conversation. This is useful if you're making a video with dialogue, or if you want to create a mock interview, or even a storytelling video with characters. Go back to your Murf dashboard and create a new project. In the text box, type something like this. Person A. So what's the best way to get started with freelancing? Person B. Honestly, just pick one skill and get good at it. Don't try to do everything. Now here's the trick. Highlight the first line. Go to the voice selector and choose a male voice. Let's say Marcus. Then highlight the second line and choose a female voice like Arya. Murf will automatically assign those voices to the right lines. Hit play and you'll hear a back and forth conversation between two people. You can add pauses between the lines to make it feel more natural. You can also adjust pitch and emphasis. If you want one person to sound more confident, increase the pitch slightly. If you want someone to sound tired, slow down the speed. This is powerful because now you're not just creating a voiceover, you're creating a scene. You can use this for podcast intros, explainer videos, storytelling content, or even mock client calls if you're teaching sales or customer service. Once you're done, export it the same way, MP3 or WAV. Download. Done. This took you maybe 7 minutes, but you just created something that sounds way more professional than most beginner content out there. Here's the system. Every day, write one thing you want to say. Could be a script, could be a lesson, could be a story. Then go to Murf, paste it in, generate the voice, and save it. Do that for a week. By the end, you'll have 7 audio files. That's 7 YouTube videos, 7 podcast episodes, 7 lessons for a course. This tool won't fix your life, but it'll give you clarity, it'll save you time, and it'll help you stop waiting for the perfect moment to start. Go to Murf.ai, create your free account, make your first voiceover today. That's it.